Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. This is the presentation of Group 2. As we video this, our system is called Universal Converter. So, this is our PowerPoint. Number 1 is a scoop of the code of presentation by Group 2. And then, yes, hello everyone. Good evening. And this is our team. Jacqueline, Mary Rose, Christopher, and G. Anthony. So, in unit conversion support, yan po yung aming message. The code support conversion between 3 categories of unit: length, weight, and temperature. Length conversion between units like meters, kilometers, centimeters, inches, feet, and yards. Weight is conversion between kilograms, grams, pounds, and ohms. Temperature is conversion between Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Next, error handling. The program provides error handling for invalid inputs and missing or invalid output selection. If users enter correct values or fail to select the required units, error message will be shown via message box. So, this is the some other terms like dynamic user interface, the combo box, comblend, and populated with available units. As you can see, mababasa rin po natin lahat dyan. Yan po, conversion logic, table of conversions, and form navigations. So, thus explain some other converters. Next. So, the eliminations of the code. As you can see, we can read limited unit types, like the code only support a fixed set of units for length, weight, temperature. It does not provide support for any other units such as time, second, minutes, volume, letters, gallons, or area sequence meters, and acres. So, this is no valid for unavailable conversions. The code assumes that the selected units will be available in the corresponding combo box list. However, if the user selects a unit that isn't in the combo box, perhaps due to an incorrect configuration, the code doesn't have exist, misleading result in those situations. So, yun po. So, the next is the eliminations of the code, part 3. Precision's limit. The code uses to string F6 for formatting the results, which may not be suitable for all conversions. Some conversions, especially for small numbers, when the values have very high precisions, might require fewer decimal places. It could be customized based on the unit type. And number 4, no custom unit addition. Users cannot add custom units to the combo box. The sets of available units is predefined in the code, meters, kilometer, etc. So if your need is to convert between units outside this set, they cannot use the application without modifying the code. So that's the limit code. So the elimination of the code, part 5. So we have temperature unit compatibility. So as you can read, temperature conversions require the units to be explicitly selected from predefined options: Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. While this is typically limits flexibility in case where user might want to work with more complex temperature scales and etc. So this is number 6, input validation. While basic numeric validation is implemented, double try the passes, there's no depth validation of the range of limit of the values entered by the user. For example, it doesn't handle out of range values for temperature, negative temperature, Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Kelvin that are physical, improbable in some contexts. Next is the delimitations of the code. And this is the code. Picks from design, the layout, design of the form are picks, and application assumes that the system of specific control like combo box and text box for unit selection and input-output. There are changes in the user interface, different controls. The code might require modifications. So, parang restriction din po yun siya. So, no internalization The code doesn't support different locales or unit system, metric versus imperial system beyond the present options. If you want to extend it for international user, you need to add support for multiple languages or different regional standard for unit for conversions. So this is our conclusion. The scope of the code covers basic unit conversion for length, weight, temperature with user-friendly features like dynamic unit selection and error handling. However, the delimitation primarily system from the fixed set of Unix lack of support for more complex Unix types or units customized units in the absence of advanced validation for input values for expanded unit system. So that's our PowerPoint. So we go now to our system. So our universal convert system has only two forms. Form 1, and that's the code. As you can see, the input. So we have username, password, login, and exit. So that's the image. And then meron po kayong makikitang mga signs dyan ng mga conversions po, like kilogram, Kelvin, or something. So yan po yung input ng form 1. So pag ni-run po natin siya, like we run natin siya, ganito po yung lalabas. Yan na po yung nagiging output namin. So dyan po nakasulat, makikita rin natin, di ba? Meron tayong Kelvin, ampere, second, candela, or mole, meter, kilogram. So magta-type po kami ng username namin ay group 2. So ita-type po namin yung group 2. Yan. And then yung password po namin ay ACT. Comes from small letter. So pag pinindot po namin yung login, successful, ito na po yung lalabas. So yan na po yung aming universal converter ng length, weight, temperature. So pag pinindot mo po yung sa left side, yung meters, lalabas po yung meters, kilometers, centimeters, inches, feet, yards. So kung i-convert mo siya sa kabila, like meters, i-convert mo siya sa kilometers, like that, kilometers. Pindutin mo muna sa kabila. Yan, meters, i-convert mo siya sa kilometers. Yan, so mag-aano ka ng number, like for example 5,000. So i-convert mo po siya sa kilometers, magiging yan na po yung kalalabasan niya, 5.0000. Excuse me po. So kung sa weight naman tayo, ang lalabas dyan, pag pinindot mo po yung V, kilograms, grams, pounds, ounce. So sa kabila po, pag pinress mo po yung small button ba yan? Kilograms, grams, pounds, and ounce din. So for example po, mag-aano tayo ng kilograms, tapos i-convert po natin siya sa pounds, like 10 lang. Pag mali po yung maisusulat, yan po yung lalabas. Please enter a valid numeric value for weight conversion. So kailangan po number po sa baba po. Yan. So may 10. Halimbawa 10. Tapos i-convert mo siya, yan po yung lalabas. So 2.046. So yun po, kanina may error siya. Pag hindi po yun yung tama na mailalagay mo dyan, lalabas po yung error niya. So dito naman po tayo sa temperature conversion. May Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. Tapos sa kabila naman po ay ganun din, may Fahrenheit at Kelvin. So kung i-convert po natin siya like Fahrenheit, tapos i-convert po natin siya sa Kelvin. For example, meron po tayong 8. Yan. So ang lalabas po ay yan, 259.82. So, yun po yung presentation po namin. Conversion po siya ng length, weight, and temperature. So, yun po yung show table po namin. So, ngayon po, na ano na po namin, pag mag-log out po kami, yan naman po yung log out namin. So, yan na po yung presentation po namin. So, yun lang po. I pray po makapasa kaming lahat. Thank you. God bless po.